Here everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify both of your age and your account on X. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open your X app and log in. And after that, tap on your profile icon, then go to Settings and Privacy. Then after that, go to Security and Account Access. And after that, go to Security, and you will see ID verification. So now here, when you tap on ID verification, you will see that you need to subscribe to X Premium first before you can continue. Alright, so now go back to Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Premium Subscription. And then, after that, just choose your plan and subscribe. Alright, so after subscribing, return to Security and ID verification. So here, you will just need to upload a valid ID, government issue ID, passport, travel license, or national ID card. Take a selfie so X can match it with your ID. Then after that, once everything is approved, your age will be confirmed and your account will be verified with a blue check badge. So it's depending on the subscription you choose. Alright, so that's it. Now you know exactly how to verify your both age and your account on X.